Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Betty. Good morning. We hope everyone had a really nice weekend. We had a good weekend because Betty has been talking to me about a very special week this week is. Yes, it is, isn't it, Betty? Yes, it's Children's Mental Health Week. And this week, there's going to be a lot of activities that your teachers are going to be setting for you in your remote learning. And we're really excited about it, aren't we, Betty? We are. This year, for Children's Mental Health Week, we're going to be talking about expressing yourself and good relationships. Now, we want to make sure that during this week there are lots of smiles, lots of laughter, being creative, and enjoying being you, making good choices, and helping us all through this really kind of challenging times, don't we, Betty? Yes. Now, like I said, teachers are setting lots of activities for you over the week around this activity. We're really excited. And I am going to send your parents a very special letter that has lots of things that they might want to explore with you during this week that you can do with them. Yes, I know that they would be really excited about that. But before we start our challenge for this week, we're going to do a bit of singing. And I think that we need to keep practicing our 7 days a week song. Don't you think? Yes, we really want to learn it, and I know lots of you are getting on really well with it. So let's sing 7 days a week. Again, I have been seeing lots of children showing me videos of them practicing 7 days a week, and I'm so impressed. Well done. Now, we have Miss Hume this week again because she's still teaching us the alphabet in sign language. Over to you, Miss Hume.
Hi everyone, we are going to carry on with M, N and O. So for M, we need our 3 fingers, just like the sticks that we use when we're writing the M against our palm, M. And same for the N, 2 fingers, N. And then O is our index finger to our ring finger, O. M, N, O. Well done. I'm going to do P, Q and R in this video. So for P, we're going to do a little P shape, index finger and thumb together, and then on your other index, P. For Q, we've got our index finger that just hooks inside, Q. R, again, is our index finger with a bit of an R shape on the palm. P, Q, R. We're going to do our BSL alphabet. So we are going to start with A. Index finger to your thumb, A. B, both our hands like this, together, B. C, we make a C with our hand, in the same shape as a C. D, make a D shape facing you, D. E, our index finger to our other index finger, E. F, two fingers, your dominant hand on top, F. G, two fists, your dominant hand on the top, G. H, your dominant hand sliding across your top, H. I, index finger to your middle finger, I. J, we make a lovely J shape from our middle finger all the way down to our thumb, J. K, bit of a curl on our index finger, K. You see the shape of the K there, K. L, just our one finger on the palm of our hand, L. M, three fingers like the letter M on the palm of our hand, M. N, the same but with two, N. O, our index finger to our ring finger, O. P, we make a P shape with our hands, P. Q, hook our index finger just in there, Q, Q. R, we make an R sound with our index finger shape on our palm of our hand, R.
Well, we got a lot to do this week, don't we? But it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be fun. I just can't wait. And I know you can't wait either, can't you, Betty? No. All right, everyone. Let's get started. Ready, set, go.